Hi, we'd like to tell you about a new change at the Unemployment Insurance Appeal Board. You can now attend UIAB hearings virtually. This video will show you how. Before your virtual hearing, we recommend following these tips for a smoother online experience. It's important to note that you should start the check-in process 30 minutes before your hearing. Remember, if you do not have a computer or smartphone, you may call into your hearing. Dial 518-545-3889 and follow the prompts to attend your hearing. If you're using a mobile device, set your device to Do Not Disturb. Please disable your lock screen to avoid any interruption to your hearing. You will need to download the WebEx application. iPhone users must use the Safari browser. To continue, you will need your hearing notice. Please review this example of a hearing notice. This document is sent to you by mail. You will need the hearing ID from the notice to check in to the hearing. Now you're ready to go to uiappeals.ny.gov/virtual-hearings. Click the Attend Your Hearing button to bring you to the Virtual Hearings check-in page. Locate the hearing ID on your hearing notice and enter your hearing ID in the Virtual Hearing ID field. Then press the Continue button. Be sure to review the terms and conditions and press the I Agree button to proceed. Next, select your role. You can select Claimant, Employer, COL Rep, or Other. Witnesses, interpreters, and representatives should select Other. You can select Claimant if you are the person seeking unemployment benefits. You may enter your email address, but it is not required. If you need an interpreter, choose Yes and select your language. Press the blue Submit button. Enter your first and last name. You may enter your phone number, but it is not required. Press the blue Submit button. You are now checked in. You will be taken to the Virtual Hearing Center waiting room. The judge will be able to see that you've checked in for the hearing. Please remember that your screen must remain active while you're in the Virtual Hearing Center waiting room. If you leave the page, you may not be able to check in again. Review any important notes on the waiting room page. When the judge begins the hearing, a pop-up notification will appear. Click the green Enter Hearing button on the pop-up. A new tab in your browser will launch the WebEx application on your device. Do not close the Virtual Hearing Center tab to the waiting room or you will be checked out. If a pop-up notification appears asking you to confirm that you want to open the WebEx application, be sure to press the Open WebEx button. If the Open WebEx button does not work, click Launch Meeting instead. Once the WebEx application is open, click the Unmute and Start Video buttons. Then click the green Join Meeting button. In the event that you don't see your own video, select Camera in the WebEx application. Your device options will appear under the camera label. Usually, integrated webcam is the option for the camera built into your device. Upon clicking the Join Meeting button, you will enter the hearing lobby. When ready, the judge will admit you to the hearing. Remember, once admitted to the hearing, you will be able to see and speak with everyone who is in the hearing, including the judge. If people cannot hear you, check to make sure that you are unmuted. If you cannot unmute yourself, the judge will be able to unmute you. When your hearing concludes, the WebEx meeting will close. You are permitted to close your browser after the WebEx meeting is closed. Go to your browser and click on the Virtual Appointments tab. Here you will be able to confirm that your hearing has ended. If you have additional questions, go to uiappeals.ny.gov/virtual-hearings to learn more.